Alright, now this video is especially for women because we never talk about this, the support in when we dance or tap dance, and specifically in tap dancing the support is so important. You are never gonna go practice your pullback for hours if you don't have a proper support. So only women can understand this, of course. Well, though the male have something else to support. I don't know how they do, by the way. Anyway, so I have a solution that you may want to try, you're not going to spend anything. It's something that I experienced myself, and I think it's very, very, very effective. So, the solution is, instead of putting one bra, try 2 or 3. Because, you know what I mean, if you want a super bra that's gonna, really you're not gonna feel your breast anymore, you can buy it. But the problem is it's £50 or something. At least if you want a really good bra that will, last over the laundries and stuff like this. So, £50, okay. So I have to rehearse or dance 5 times a week. So I don't want to stink, of course, so do I have to buy, like $250 of a bra? Like, can you imagine the budget just for a bra? And we're not even talking about the shoes, we are not talking about the lessons, we're not talking about all the outfits, like, just the bra. It's a huge budget for women. So I say, and I will give you a solution. Because you can actually put several bras on top of each other, and this is very, very effective. So for example, you have this. It doesn't have to be sports bra. You can start with something like this. Okay. Over, you're gonna put another one like this, for instance. Well, the color, you choose the color. And if you still feel something moving here, you block it. You block everything with this kind of bra, okay? You will have 3 bras. So the advantages is that you don't have necessarily to wash the 3 bras all the time, because there's only the first one who's taking the sweat. I mean, I think, for my case. So you don't have more laundries to do. This is very important. Second thing, you will have like a double size of breast, which can be nice if you have to balance with your bottom. And I think it's a very good solution. Try it. Try it. Try it now and let me know. Well, I hope this video was helpful. It was the purpose of this video to share with you the tips that I experienced. All right, guys. So, ladies, I see you on the next video for a new workout. Bye-bye. Have a lovely day.